Are you ready to dive into the digital gold rush? Let's get you started with buying Bitcoin quick and easy. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as the online marketplace for buying and selling Bitcoin. Some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure you pick an exchange that's easy to use and has a good reputation. Next up, you'll need to set up an account. This is where you'll enter basic information like your name and email and set up a strong password. Remember, security is key in the crypto world. After that, you'll likely need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. This helps to keep the exchange secure and compliant with financial regulations. Now, the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. You'll first need to deposit funds into your exchange account. You can usually do this via bank transfer, credit card, or even PayPal. Check what your chosen exchange accepts and what works best for you. Once your funds are deposited, you're ready to buy. Navigate to the Bitcoin section of the exchange, enter how much you want to buy and click buy. Voila, you've just bought your very first Bitcoin. You just remember the value of Bitcoin can be quite volatile, so consider starting small. And that's it, you're now part of the ever-expanding Bitcoin community. Keep your wallet secure, stay informed, and welcome to the future of finance.